Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 2 of our camping at Sawmill campsites, High Point State Park, New Jersey. In the part 1, I shown you all the sites in these campsites from the first site, which is ours, until the 50th site. So if you guys didn't watch that video yet, you can check that out. I put the link in the description below. So in this part 2, we are heading out to explore some of the park's nearby attractions. We're starting with a swim at the lake and then a visit to the iconic High Point Monument. It's been a fun day and I can't wait to show you what else this park has to offer. Let's go! Having breakfast. This is corn that we grilled last night, but we grill it with the skin on, so this is so juicy.
Mommy, my
Mango?
mango
more.
more. Hello.
Thank you, Daddy.
Daddy.
And they are making fire. The fire entirely made by an India. Good job, sweetheart. Nice.
Girl Scout going on in India, teaching mommy how to fish.
Oh my god, you're moving too early.
Baby, stop.
Get the mommy!
Mommy fishing for the first time. Just 1 feet, like 1.5 feet only, not that much.
No fish.
I fish so girl. Mommy, this leaf is so slimy on the bottom. Oh, this leaf is so gooey. That's something.
Since the campsite has no shower, if you guys want to shower, we need to go to this Lake Marcia bathhouse. It has shower here. Also, it has lake that we can swim, so then it's perfect. After we swim, then we shower, and then we can go back to our campsite. Or do whatever after that, your activity in the High Point State Park. Got a fish. Yay, Daddy got a fish. He got a fish. Oh, this is our second catch. Still alive. Aditi, the fish alive. Okay, we are done swimming. It has shower too, so we shower here. So fresh, nice. Anin and Aditi got ice cream, and we got a fish too. We are going to grill the fish now.
Now, it's lunchtime and we're all hungry. And you know what happens when you're hungry? You get cranky. And also, I want to tell you guys something also. We got a big mouth bass over here. A large one, not big. Right here. Okay, so now we're gonna make a fire to make our burgers and fish. Well, Mommy's gonna scale the fish, and me and Daddy's gonna make up a flame and make up a fire, and it'll be all set to make the burgers. Let's go. Tomorrow is our last day. Anyways.
bring this gallon for the water because it's easier to pour rather than a bucket. So this is the way to go to the High Point Monument. The way to go to the monument and to the lake Marcia is the same one. So if you guys not camping, you need to pay for $5 to $10 depending on the day and depending on whether you are New Jersey residents or not. But if you are camping in that Sawmill campsite or another campsite that around here only in this High Point State Park, you don't need to pay anything. We just come through it. Look at that. See, step 1 put here, and then step 2 this like this, and wait huh. Remove it. Done. You can rotate, you can move up and down. You see? You have to rotate this if it is blurry for you.
Oh my god, this feels so cool. Look at that parking lot. I want to see Mommy. Can I come in?
No, close. Yeah. This is the highest point monument in New Jersey. It's so high, like hiking. The view is nice, and in the real life even nicer. Oh, it's just so big, like the earth, so big until the horizon. It's so like zzz, like whoop, so high. Oh, so nice. The wind, so nice.
This is actually all 3 states they will come here. This is like almost.
This one is what, like any road like that. This.
That highway, that high tension.
We are so high. Big sun.
So this is Pennsylvania, this is New York, this is New York, and we are here in New Jersey.
High Point Monument. The view. Yay!
Yeah, you got a rock? Okay. She said she wanna swing the rock. Yeah. Yeah, rock. Swinging the rock.
Mommy,
Ah,
look.
yeah. Oh my goodness, so many. That's wood. That's wood, not rock. It's a wood.
Look.
Mm.
So. So.
Careful, it's sharp. Okay. And that's a wrap of our day 2 camping at High Point State Park. We had a great time swimming at Lake Marcia and checking out the amazing views from the High Point Monument. If you guys are planning a trip here, I definitely recommend checking out both the Sawmill campsite and the nearby attractions. There are actually a lot of trails, but we didn't have chance to go to the trails. There are 13 trails are there for you to explore. Alright, thank you guys for coming along with us from the part 1 and this part 2 for our day 2 camping at Sawmill campsite. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Make sure to subscribe. Bye-bye.